This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content and information provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. Hello everyone, I'm very happy to see all of you guys again here. Have you just passed out your degree? And you are looking for the job or job change? Then this video is absolutely for you. There are multiple openings in top MNC company TCS, HCL, Infosys Wipro, Cognizant and many more hiring to freshers as well as experienced professional for the role of Python, PHP, Java, .NET, JavaScript etc. In this video we will see one by one in details. And we will also discuss how and where you can apply for these openings to get hired. Before starting today's topic, I would like to request you, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thanks. So if you are ready, let's start today's topic. Number 1. Opening for role of lead .NET full stack developer. Requirements for apply this job. Minimum experience of 8 to 12 years in software industry. Strong experience in ASP.NET, ASP.NET Web API, EF Core with LNQ, C#, T-SQL or stored procedure. Experience in JavaScript or jQuery. Hands-on experience in Microsoft Azure/AWS, Redis Cache, Azure Search, Logic Apps, AAD and Graph API and Application Insights. Experience in developing REST API. Must have experience on SCM platforms like Git, TFS. Good at data structure and algorithms. Experience working on JavaScript framework. Experience in integration of the front-end and back-end aspects of the web application. Excellent knowledge of fundamental design principles behind a scalable application. Experience in unit testing. Hands-on experience on Angular or React.js. Skills and technologies required for this job. 1. .NET Full Stack. 2. .NET Web API. 3. Entity Framework Core with LNQ. 4. C#. 5. T-SQL or stored procedure. 6. JavaScript or jQuery. 7. Azure or AWS. 8. Unit testing. Benefits. Insurance coverage. Paid leaves, including maternity, bereavement, paternity, and special COVID-19 leaves. Financial assistance for medical crisis. Retirement benefits, VPF and NPS. Customized mindfulness and wellness programs. EPAM hobby clubs. Hybrid work model. Soft loans to set up workspace at home. Stable workload. Relocation opportunities with EPAM Without Borders program. Certification trainings for technical and soft skills. Access to unlimited LinkedIn learning platform. Access to internal learning programs set up by world-class trainers. Community networking and idea creation platforms. Mentorship programs. Self-driven career progression tool. Company name. EPAM Systems. Job location. Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Job type. Full-time, mid-senior level. Company type. IT services and IT consulting. About the company. Since 1993, EPAM Systems Incorporated has leveraged its advanced software engineering heritage to become the foremost global digital transformation services provider leading the industry in digital and physical product development and digital platform engineering services. Through its innovative strategy, integrated advisory, consulting and design capabilities, and unique engineering DNA, EPAM's globally deployed hybrid teams help make the future real for clients and communities around the world by powering better enterprise, education and health platforms that connect people, optimize experiences, and improve people's lives. Selected by Newsweek as a 2021 Most Loved Workplace. EPAM's global multidisciplinary teams serve 50+ employees and customers in more than 50 countries across 6 continents. As a recognized leader, EPAM is listed among the top 15 companies in information technology services on the Fortune 1000 and ranked as the top IT services company on Fortune's 100 fastest growing companies list for the last 3 consecutive years. EPAM is also listed among Ad Age's top 25 world's largest agency companies, and in 2020, Consulting Magazine named EPAM Continuum a top 20 fastest growing organization. If you're interested for this job role, you can comment below, otherwise you can share your profile on ritu_singh2@epam.com. For more details, please visit https://www.epam.com. Number 2. EPAM Anywhere hiring for senior Python developer. Skills and experience required for this job: 3+ years of experience in Python development. Experience in Docker. Experience in NoSQL databases. Experience in Python. Experience in SQL databases. Knowledge of system design and analysis. Experience in test-driven development. Roles and responsibilities. You'll work with your team to design and implement features and services for the product your team owns, and keep the design choices well documented and explained. You'll be a hands-on mentor and drive quality and reliability from the get-go, lowering the complexity of the system. You will master one or more domains and will break complex goals into simple and iterative deliverables. Commit to high code quality and continuous improvement via agile processes. Ensure the long-term quality, scalability, and maintainability of our systems. If you're interested for this job, you can comment your name below, or you can visit https://anywhere.epam.com/and/find-me-a-job. Number 3. HCL is hiring for Python developer. Education and work experience: BE or BTech, or Tech, or MCA. Experience: 4 to 8 years. Location: Chennai. Skills required for this job: strong in Python programming. Must have experience in Linux platform. Should have experience in back-end development. Good to have exposure in storage domain. If you are interested in exploring this job profile, you can comment your name below or share your updated profile to prasanti.gandhi@hcl.com for detailed discussion. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share with your friends.